welcome back to our channel. If you're interested in getting this bun look, keep watching. Easy. So my hair is freshly co-washed, looking like Kunta. And so first thing you have to do is comb it out. And just use your Eco Style gel, which we've had this for a few months, and as you can see, it's almost empty. And you're just gonna leave it alone. Lather the gel. And you're going to use a hard brush and just get in the back. This takes a lot of muscle, as you can see I have a lot. My arms be getting tired. Be careful for your edges. Now we're ready for the first hair tie. And pray that my hair tie doesn't break. Then I'm going to try to get it into a bun. I'm going to take another hair tie, a stretchy one, and try to get this bun even smaller. The hair that I'm going to be attaching to mine is crochet hair. I'll insert a picture of it right here. And it's at your local beauty supply store. It's like $5 or less. Mm-hmm. And so I have the hair tie, like actually a hair tie, a rubber band that came with the hair. I'm just going to put that on my head. Do the first loop over my ponytail. Like that. Let me do a twist. And you're just gonna loop it around. Once you've done that, you need a large hair tie, courtesy of Darni and I. I don't need that. I'm just kidding. And because you want this thing to be snug, you're not trying to have no bun fall off like this.
What's up? You ever been with a light skin? Ooh.
Yeah. We're not trying to do that. We're trying to have this thing snug tight. Because that's embarrassing. Oh gosh. Okay, so once you've done that, we're just going to fix like this part that's not attached really. So you need a bobby pin. Oh, it's hard to do it with my nails, as you guys can see. Look down. So we're gonna put some more bobby pins and stuff. And so I'm gonna put some Got To Be glue spray. Edges, like so. This is the most crucial part, because if your edges aren't laid, you ain't laid. Period. Who says period? Michelle. So you need 2 hair scarves, sorta. Like so. And we're gonna have this laying down for about 5 to 10 minutes.
No angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here.